Hello guys, welcome back with the third and last puzzle, not in today's newspaper on Thursday, April the 7th, 2022. We have only one regular Sudoku. It's a medium Sudoku, no additional, no extra puzzles. So I've decided to solve the rest of the puzzles in the Wednesday edition, yesterday's edition, April the 6th, 2022. I've already solved two puzzles, the letter Sudoku and the two-star Sudoku. It's time now for the Tectonic with one star. Tectonic with one star. And this will be number 4376. 4376, alright. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 20 printed digits. And for a one-star puzzle, I need to be faster than 15 minutes. So let's get started. First question to you is, can we see here the single box? Because the single box or boxes is always a 1. I see here single box, always a 1. Dual boxes. Next question, do we have dual boxes here? Yes, I see here dual box contains the 1 and the 2. I do not know in which order, so let me mark those two boxes, 1 and 2. More dual boxes? No. Triple box then. I see here triple box contains the 1, the 2 and 3. Well, the 2 is already filled in, so those two boxes should be the 1 and 3. Do not know in which order, so let me mark those two boxes, 1 and 3. Quadra boxes then, the next question, quadra boxes. Do we have quadra boxes here? Let me scan. No quadra boxes. Then the following strategy is to recognize some shapes, some figures, structures or constructions. For example, this shape or figure, let me draw this here. Alright, when you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has always the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. So in this case, it's a 1. Alright. More? Do we have more of this kind of shapes or figures? No. Then the following shape. How about this shape? Let me draw this here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. Yeah, so this box has the same number as that box. Here, another one. This box has the same number as that box. In this case, it's a 2. We have a 2 there. Okay. Here, another one, the third one. Yes, this box has the same number as that one. Upside down. Okay. More? No. Then the last figure or shape, the Z or the S construction, rotated. Let me draw this here. Alright. When you see this kind of shape, remember that this box has the same number as that box. So this box has the same number as that box. But also, that box has the same number as this box. So that box has the same number as this box. So in this case, it should be a 1. This should be a 1. Not 1 or 3. Should be a 1. Alright, so one box left in this triple box for number 3. Okay. And those are the shapes that you need to recognize in this puzzle. Only 3 out of 6, because maximum is 6 figures or shapes that you need to recognize for Tectonic with 5 boxes. Yes. Yeah, only 3 in this puzzle. And the question is why you need to recognize those shapes or figures or constructions, because then the following step, it's easy for filling those numbers. So let's get starting filling those numbers. We have a 1 here in this single box. These two boxes cannot be a 1. So one box left for the 1 should be here. two numbers left in two boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. Let me mark those 3 and 4, 3 and 4. Okay. These two boxes can be a 1. So the 1 could be here, could be there. Well, if I place the 1 there, this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 1. But we already have a 1 here, so it's not a solution to place the 1 there. The only place left for the 1 should be here. Alright. Okay. These two boxes can be a 3, so the 3 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. Let me mark those two boxes, 2 and 4. These 3 boxes surround the 3 can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. Then let me see. This box can be a 1, that box can be a 1, so the 1 could be here, could be there. These two boxes can be a 3. Those two boxes can be a 3, so 1 box left for the 3 should be there. These two boxes can be a 3. So the 3 could be here, could be there. That means that those two boxes cannot be a 3. If I fill a 3 here, I cannot place any 3 in one of those two boxes. So the only place left for the 3 should be here. And this box is connected with that box. Should be also a 3. Okay. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. Let me mark those, 4 and 5. 4 and 5. This box is connected with that box. Should be also 4 and 5. Okay. Then. Let me see. These two boxes can be a 1. We have a double 1 there. These two boxes can be a 2. We have a double 2 there. So the 1 and the 2 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 1 and 2, 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, no 2 there. 2 should be here and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here. And the 5 goes there. I think this box should be a 2 because it can be 1, should be a 2, can it be 3, can it be 4, can it be a 5? Yes, definitely 2. Now we have a 2 there, so this box can be 2 and more. That box should be a 2, and this box should be a 1. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 3 and 1. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 1 goes there. Alright. I think this box should be a 5 because it can be 1, can it be 2, can it be 3, can it be 4? Yes, definitely a 5. 2 numbers left in this W area shape for the numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4, let me mark those two boxes, 2 and 4. Here also, 4 and a 5. 4 and a 5 we have here. Now we have a 4 there, so this box cannot be 4 anymore. This box should be a 5. And this box is connected with that box, should be also a 5. 1 box left in this Z or S construction for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 4. 2 and 4. We have a 4 there, no 4 there. 4 should be here and the 2 goes there. Alright. Okay, these two boxes can be a 2. So 1 box left for the 2 should be there. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 2. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 here, so this box can't be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4, and this box should be a 3. Okay. These two boxes cannot be a 5. So the 5 could be here, could be there. Let me think. Okay. 2 boxes left in this area for numbers 3 and 4. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. Now we have a 4 there, so this box can be 4 anymore. That box should be a 4. This box should be a 2. Alright. These two boxes can be 4. These two boxes can be 3. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. So I've eliminated the 1. I've marked those two boxes with the 1. So we have a pair here, 3 and a 4. So 1 box left for the 1 should be here. This box is connected with that box. So should be also 3 or a 4. 1 digit left in this area for number 5. Okay, 2 numbers left in this area. For the numbers are 3, no, 1, 2, 3. The 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here and a 4. It goes there. These are 3 boxes. Surround the 2, can it be a 2? So 1 box left for the 2. Should be here. Yeah, this box can be A5, that box cannot be A5. So 1 box left for the 5, should be here. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 4 and 3. 4 and 3, we have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 4 goes there. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box cannot be a 1, so 1 box left for the 1, should be here. Then yeah. I'm thinking. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Let me see. This box. I need a 1. These 2 boxes can be a 1. That box cannot be a 1. And this box can be a 1. So 1 box left for the 1. Should be here. Then these 2 boxes can be a 3. We have a double 3 there. These 2 boxes can be a 4. We have a double 4 there. So the 3 and the 4 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. But we already have a 3 there, so this box can be 3 and more. That box should be a 3, and this box should be a 4. This box is connected with that box, should be also a 3. 1 box left in this area for number 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 5. We have a 5 there, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. These 2 boxes, oh wait. I think this box should be a 3 because it can be 1, can be 2, should be a 3. Can it be 4, can it be 5? Yes, definitely 3. This box, can it be a 4? So the 4 could be here, could be there. That means that box cannot be a 4 anymore. If I place a 4 here, I cannot fill any 4 in one of those 2 boxes. So this box should be a 2, and that box should be a 4. Alright, these 2 boxes can be 2, so 1 box left for the 2 should be there. And I've eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. And I've eliminated the 4, so the 4 goes here. Then. Let me see. I think this box should be a 4, because it can be 1, can be 2, can be 3, should be a 4. Can it be a 5? Yes, definitely a 4. 2 numbers left in this area for numbers 2 and 3. We have a 3 there, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Finish in 12 minutes. Great Tectonic. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And don't forget, only if you like, only if you want, to subscribe. And hit the bell button, guys, to be notified by YouTube when I upload new Sudokus to my channel. You can also find in my channel a lot of playlists for the Tectonic, playlists for the binaries, playlists for the letter Sudokus. I have also a playlist for the 1 star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4 star Sudokus. A playlist for the heavy, the medium, the light, the killer, and the quintuplet, a.k.a. samurai Sudokus. All kind of puzzles or Sudokus. I have a playlist. Just go to my channel and subscribe, and you will find them all those playlists that you want. Thank you again for watching. Take care, stay healthy, and keep on puzzling. Have a great and fantastic Thursday. We will meet again tomorrow on Friday. Almost weekend, yes. Until then, bye-bye for now.